So this is Friday, August 20th, 2021. Just going to give a brief overview of the grammar lessons we've been doing. So today we started on step 1 of the grammar packet. We have a separate packet as well as so the notes packet looks like this. And then we have a practice packet that looks like this. And we are starting with step 1. So if you look at step 1 on your notes packet, it's prepositional phrases. We mark them first because they are not essential to a solid sentence. We need them for meaning, but what we're analyzing in 8th grade is whether or not a sentence has sound structure. So do we have a subject, verb, and a complete thought? Or at minimum, a verb and a complete thought if we have an understood subject, right? So you have the analysis map on the front, and after we learn step 1, when we move to step 2, we will still be doing step 1. And then we will add each one as we go, but we always do the previous steps with it. If you look at the back side, you do have a prepositions list here. We took a practice quiz today, and we'll take the real quiz next Friday on memorization of prepositions. And you literally just have to list them out. That's why I sent home the video that was the songs, so you could work on a song memorization of prepositions. Once you've looked at the sentence analysis map, which is this front page, if you look at step 1 notes, step 1 is what we are doing first, prepositions. So you have a whole notes page here that you can look at. Step 1 prepositions are going to be put in brackets that are rounded, either that or those square ones that you can see right in here, right there, okay? These square ones or round ones, not the squiggly brackets and not the caret brackets like the greater than less than sign, because those will be used for steps 6 and 7, but you can do the rounded ones or the squared off ones like they are in here. Okay, and what we do is a preposition begins with a preposition and ends with a noun. You guys are used to writing for each word in the preposition, writing if it is a preposition and then the adjective and an article adjective and then a noun or a pronoun that's called the object of the preposition. All we need is to mark the beginning and the ending of the prepositional phrase, okay? The beginning will always be the preposition, the ending will be the noun or the pronoun, everything in between is adjective or adverb, or could be, what's at the bottom of the page here, a compound preposition or a compound object of the preposition, and those are described in there for you, okay? You can read the notes. To find the preposition, that's what I've marked over here on my page, you have to say, you find the preposition from memorizing it and then ask the question whom or what. So we have up here, we had for food, for what? Under what? The trees, okay? So if it answers whom or what, that's how you find the object. I'm going to show you this page, and I'll take a picture of it and stick it in the documents as well under your files and materials. But that's basic how we do our grammar. And each time we do grammar on Fridays, the front side we will do in class together. The back side for step 1 is your homework. And the nice thing is if you know what you're doing and can work ahead, you can usually finish your homework by the end of class, okay? But if you don't, you have homework over the weekend. So the homework this weekend for most people is maybe a few questions on this individual side, which is page 12 if you need to know. But it also could be their prepositions list because they're still trying to memorize them, and their preposition practice quiz didn't go well today, okay? But that's how we do the grammar. On Mondays, we will check for correct answers on the back side and turn in that grammar page. And then the next Friday, we will do step 2. We only have reading homework Monday through Thursday, so Fridays are for catching up on reading and for finishing grammar. Any questions, you can let me know. Thank you.